The Unlikelies, The Networker.
The Unlikelies, E.G. Jaley and I were just talking about it. We shot this movie 7 years ago. If Nick Miller, he's the guy who directed that movie, he never got it released. Every time I have a movie that's going to be released, he puts the goddamn movie at the top of my IMDb page. Nick, if I ever see you again, I'm going to slap the shit out of you.
Well, Nick's here, and you can slap him.
That's likely to happen, buddy.
So what's the last project you worked on? You just mentioned that you had something come out yesterday, today?
Yeah, I have a film that just opened today in New York and LA. It's called Echoes of War, and it's a post-Civil War piece, and it's pretty cool. Check it out. I like to slip off and do a lot of independent films. You know, I have one out right now. It was Laugh Killer Laugh, just came out a couple weeks